channel, guys. So I'm on my way to show, well, not to show, to preview a lot for a client, and believe it or not, it's in one of those private secret gated community. So while I'm going to take a look at this lot for this client, I figure I'd do a quick video and take you along the journey with me. So I did a video previously on this town. If you go through my search, you'll see it. I may even put the link to my right on a town called Indian Land. So I was talking to a client who's looking for a lot to build on, and I mentioned this town to him. We came across a lot that is well in price range. So I told him I'll be more than happy to go by, take a look, do a quick video tour of the lot, show him where it's located, and while I'm going, hey, I'll take you guys along for the journey. So come with me as we go toward this secret gated community. It is a very nice private gated community. I've been in that community before, so I want to take you guys along the journey with me. So come on, let's go for a ride. Welcome to South Carolina, guys. Alright, here we are in front of the lot. Just gonna get out and do a quick walk, just check, see how it's located, where it's located, just to kind of give you an idea of the lot for the client real quick. So come with me, let's go take a look. This is the lot. It's a corner lot. There's some new construction going on around. So like they got some survey flag already here. Pretty level lot. Alright, I'm gonna take some time and go do more tour. It looks like it's a nice lot, corner lot, level lot, pretty nice size house on each side of the lot. There's a new construction going on around. Let's go take a look at that real quick too, just to kind of show him what is going on around the area. But I'll come back and probably walk the lot a little bit and show you guys more there into the lot. But yeah, if I turn the camera, you'll see there's beautiful home around the neighborhood. Very nice neighborhood. So let me show you. See, very nice homes. Here's a custom new build that somebody's building. Another custom new build. Here's another custom new build that somebody's building as well too. As y'all can see, very nice neighborhood, very private, woodsy, wooded lots will make a great private neighborhood for one looking for to build a custom home. Seems like they still have a lot of lots available in this community. So if you want looking to buy a lot and build on, you can get one here. Let me show you one that they just finished right across the street. Here's one that just got finished. Very, very nice. And here's one that's for sale as well too. Two different lot on this side. So as you can see, there's what I just left. There were 2 lots that are available for sale on the street. There are few lots available in this community. So if you're looking to buy a lot and build a custom home, perhaps you may want to consider this neighborhood. It is a gated community. I'll go back to the office and do some research and give you more information about this community. But until then, let's finish our tour and get out of here. Okay, come on, let's look. So that's the new home that was being built. There's another new one that's being built over there. This one now is being built. French style. Looks like some of it has been here for a while. It's a very, very nice community. Here are some more lots that are available for sale. 2 lots with the survey line. At the gate now. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this community. I'm going to the office now to put some numbers together for my client, and I'll do a quick video and just kind of give you some ideas and give you some more detail about the community. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Welcome back. I'm back in the office. Now let's talk about this secret gated community named Longbrooke, located in Indian Land, South Carolina. As you all can see, this community has it all. A blend of European inspired charm with modern luxury custom home. The one thing I love about this community for me is the location. Okay, this community is so well located where you have the best of both worlds, the privacy and the convenience. You are 10 minutes away from Ballantyne, so 10-minute drive to Ballantyne. Yeah, not far enough where you can enjoy your privacy with the wooded lot as well too. In a second, I'm going to jump on my laptop and just kind of talk about real estate. I'm open the MLS and we'll just go over what is active on the market, what Longbrooke has to offer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Now let's jump on the computer and let's talk about real estate in Longbrooke. All right, so let's just take a look at what is going on in Longbrooke. This is the MLS. As you know, this is where we're living as Realtor, and let's see what's going on in Longbrooke. At the present time, looking at everything that is currently coming on the market, active, under contract show, under contract no show, and have closed in the last 6 months. We can even go up to, let's say, a year, even expired, just to give you an idea on Longbrooke. So we have a total of 9 months that came on our search. There is a current 1 active listing in Longbrooke. This property here, 6029 Kimberly Heights Drive. It is a 4,100 square foot, total of 4,100 square foot, 1 story, and a basement, 4 bedroom, 3.5, 3 bedroom, and 2 half bath. It is being built. The builder is Ballantyne. It's listed for 1.5 million, and this lot here is sitting on a little shy of an acre lot. This is just to give you an idea of the property. Beautiful, beautiful full brick home that this builder has put on the market. That is the only active listing at the present time in Longbrooke. When it comes to previous home, this one was previously on the market, but I believe it had sold at 1.2 million, a 4,300 square foot by a different builder. This one was on the market as well too at 1.2, 1.6 million, new build. As you all can tell, this one closed at 1.5 and this one to close at 1.5. So as you can tell, there are different type of builder, different price range. The minimum sold listing in Longbrooke is at 1.1 million. This property is sold at 1.1 million. It was built in 2018. It is a 4,000 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4-bath home. That one sold, let's see, back in February of last year. Let's look at the great opportunity is in the land that are still active in Longbrooke. There are still few active law. If you're one looking to buy a lot and build a custom home on, there are few active law in Longbrooke that are still active. Let's look, and that's how we're able to find some of those lots for my client, Longbrooke. Let's see here. So there are a total of 5 of them that are active. One closed at 225, but as you can see here, they are ranging anywhere from 149,000. This one here, that's the one that I want to tour for my client. It is 5128 Longbrooke Court, is listed for 149. Is about a little over half an acre. Oh wow, look at that. They just increased the price from 139 to 149. So this one is currently active, and they have 4 other lots in this community that are active. So the next one is at 165, and you have everything all the way to 225. So yeah, there are still a lot of opportunity in Longbrooke. It is a beautiful gated community right here in Charlotte. Well, not in Charlotte, in Indian Land. It is 5 minutes to the border of Charlotte. To get from Longbrooke to Ballantyne is about 10 minutes. You are in Ballantyne. So it is a great location, great place to be. And if you are looking for a private gated community, perhaps you may want to consider Longbrooke. I would highly recommend it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Now, my phone number is 704-904-5152. If you have any question, any concern, please call me, text me. My contact information is at the bottom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you like it. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave me a feedback on what you think about this video. Until then, we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.